Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. Did you know that you can get your resume reviewed for a specific job position which you want to apply for under 10 seconds? And also you can fix your resume according to that job position within 1 minute. Well, I'm gonna show you in this video how to do that. Okay, I've been using this tool for quite a while and I thought maybe I should share it with you because this will help a lot of you. I know a lot of you are right now in the job search mode or internship search mode, and I definitely think this tool will help you. And you know why I did this? Because I love you. Do you love me as much as I love you? Comment below, let me know if you love me. Okay, so the tool which I'm going to introduce, it's going to do two things. One, it can review your resume according to the specific job position which you want to apply for. So for example, if I want to apply for project manager or a scrum master or a product manager, I'll look up that position, I will upload my resume, and it will tell you exactly what you have to make changes for your resume. Or it can also do a LinkedIn profile review. You can literally upload your LinkedIn profile and then it will give you a score, how much you score out of 100 and which part of your LinkedIn you need to fix it. Super cool. So the tool is called resumeworded.com. It's an online website or online application. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Resume Worded, but if you're watching this Resume Worded and would like to pay me, I can take cash, credit cards, anything. I use pro version. You don't have to use the pro version at all, so I'm gonna go to the trial version. So this is in the incognito mode. I'm not logged in. This is how it's gonna look like. You can see resume scored right here. You can see the breakdown and all of this. It's really cool. You should definitely go and check it out. I'll put the link in the description and use my link to register on the website. Before we actually do the resume review, I want to show you how to do the LinkedIn review part. It's very easy. You click on LinkedIn review right here. It's gonna ask you to download your profile and then upload the profile. So I will show you how to do that. Click on your name. It will open up and then you click on more. You click on save PDF. There you go, it downloads a file and you can drag and drop that file into this cloud icon thingy. So it parses through data and everything, it does all of this, and within 10 seconds it will have the score for me. There you go, my score is 75. Before this video, for this video I specifically removed some part of it because it was 100, so it wouldn't make sense. So that's why I removed some of it. And it also tells you, it tells you because they know that we are lazy. So it tells you it will only take you 23 minutes to fix the profile to get your score to 100. Here's the breakdown. It says headline, summary, experience, education, other. So all of that is good for my profile. Of course, I removed some of the things from summary and experience. So I'm going to click on experience just so you know. It says it's good, and then it's like we recommend at least 3 roles which you have already. So I have 7 jobs, but then in this, which is my Scrum Master, I removed everything which I had it in so that it shows like, hey, look at that, you have missing. And then, you know, if you scroll, it also gives a detailed analysis of everything you need, if your English is proper or not, if, you know, description too short, spelling errors, minimal use, blah blah blah. And then it'll give you example. Look at that, you can do this, you can do that, you can attach them. Super cool. I absolutely love it, and I'm gonna fix my profile so that you can see the score will improve. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add few things in this employment type, since I removed that, it's a full-time, and then I will add these points to it, and let me save this. There we go. So now it has this. So we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna click on this, click on save for PDF. It saved another one. Let's go back, rescore LinkedIn. There we go. Click on that and then put this back again. And it's gonna review again. 77, look at that, it already improved my score. We can go look at experience, and then look at that, I got from 6 to 10. It increased my score. This is all for free, but there are some tools like keyword analysis, networking. You only get that with pro version. So if you want, you can get the monthly payment and get it. If not, that's fine. Now we're going to go to the resume part. So now in resume, there's two things. One, you can get the general scoring of your resume, which will detect the numbers, if you have put the right numbers, keywords, and things like that. And the second one is targeted resume, which is where you, let's do the first part first. So I'm going to click on resume right here. And I think I am in mid-level. Click my resume right there, and it's gonna start reviewing. So same thing, there we go, my score is 66. It's a decent score, but there's still room for improvement. I was like, okay, yes, I want to improve. Oh, impact, brevity, style, soft skills. Soft skills, good. Style, maybe I need some work over there. So then I'm like, okay, I want to see details. So here's so you can see it. If I'm clicking on weak action word, it says provided, organized. Those are like kind of like very used. So it's saying that make sure that you kind of change that. Then it says bullet point. So some of the bullet points might not be the right or too short. So it's telling me to increase that. Buzzword or cliche. So management skill is like cliche. Nice. Inconsistency found. So I guess my, the dates and things like that. So some I'm saying present, some I'm okay. But yeah, you can use this to fix your resume and bring your score as close to 100. Let's move on to the third part, which is targeted resume, which is my favorite one. So let's say you have a specific position in your head, or you know the position. So what I do is I'll go on LinkedIn, I'll type Scrum Master. There are multiple jobs. I'm like, okay, I want to look at this one, Scrum Master Morning Consult. And then I am like, okay, I'm gonna paste this thing, Control C, copy that, and then paste it. Click on next. Now it's saying upload your resume. So you upload your resume, and then it will review. So basically now it is going to compare the job description which I want to apply to, and it's going to take my resume and it's going to kind of compare and tell me. Let's dive in. Okay, we've just completed. So it scored 71. Great. Your resume contains most of the important keyword and hard skills we found. This suggests it's targeted. Click here to continue. Okay, so look at that. So what it does is your job description is right here. You can see all these highlighted words. It's technically the keywords which most likely the application tracking software is using to compare against my resume. So on the left hand side, you can see that what are my missing keywords. It says practices. It's been used 4 times in the thing, and I have not used it in my resume. So I should basically use that. Agile project management, and these are basically the keywords which I might have not used it on my resume. Okay, now comes the interesting part. You can go to your resume when you can click on that, and then you can like edit the keywords which are missing. See, as soon as I added Agile Project Management in my resume, it increased my score to 79, because now I have that, I read that Agile Project Management was there. See, you can also see that it has that tick mark right there. Now product management. So what, instead of presentation, I'm going to do product management. Product manage, and there it increased my score to 86. Awesome. So it's amazing. You can use this to improve your resume and then upload, and then after that for every job position you can upload it on wherever you want to apply for. Now let's say for some reason you're not interested in the LinkedIn review or resume review, and you're like, I'm not interested in that. Give me something else. My LinkedIn is perfect, my resume is perfect. Here's something else they also provide, which is very high value. If you click on more, you can see cover letter, networking emails, and when you click on it, so basically it's going to give you this book for free. It's called Networking Email, and you can download it, and I've already downloaded it because I use this. So look at that, it's the cold alumni. So they give so many different like how to ask for referrals, how to talk to professor, how to follow up email when you meet somebody in career fair, how to ask for advice, thank you notes. It's like just so cool. I mean, there's a lot of things which you can get benefit out of that. Even the cover letter, if you go to the cover letters right there, you can see sample cover letter. So they like applying for research associate or applying for this position, so for engineering position, and then it's the cover letter. You can change this cover letter according to your profile and the company you're applying to. I think this is very, very highly valuable if you use it. I hope that you feel that this is valuable. That is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find this video valuable, and if you do find this video valuable, please like, share, and just comment. I mean, just put a comment and let me know what you think of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep smiling, keep hustling. Gotta hustle every single day.